Hello people and welcome back to another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. Right here we feature only the craziest and most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And without any further ado, let's start today's episode off with a crazy road rage that even ended up with a mirror smash. Stay tuned for this one. This group of cyclists was led by an angry Darren in a Hawaii shirt who made a big mistake. Just as the cyclists were about to cut the road, they forgot to look over their shoulder and they nearly caused an accident with the oncoming bikers. To make things worse, this guy ran out onto the road and he tried to purposely push one biker off his bike. Bad move.
We're doing the speed limit here. You shoot cutting across the fucking road, cutting people off.
They're turning into
You want to have a go at people? Keep out of the road.
place to park.
What?
You've just assaulted me. That's a legal place for them to
No,
pull
because
in.
you've run out on the road trying to assault me while I'm trying to
Did you see
drive.
the guy that's
legally.
assaulted me?
You stupid cutting
You've
across
just
the
assaulted
street
me
in
and
front
you
of
took camera of
vehicles.
assault.
I've got it on film. I've got you
You
running
punched
out
me in the
abusing
face.
us as well.
Really?
Stop being a stupid. Go.
Don't you be a stupid.
Assault you again in
Yeah.
a sec.
You won't take your helmet off.
Why?
Because you get dropped if you take your helmet off.
And see about that, you stupid.
Don't worry about it.
I've got it all on camera and you...
I know you have it on camera.
So what about it, mate?
Why do you want to go down this path? Why do you want to go down this path? I was trying to protect my cyclists here.
Where you
I was
supposed
really
to ride
genuinely
when
just
you're on
trying to
the road?
protect the cyclists. You've already assaulted me. I will be reporting you for assault.
I've got it all on camera
I know.
too, and you've told me to
Yes.
take my helmet off so you would
Yeah.
knock me out. And I've taken my helmet off,
Yeah,
and I'm waiting.
yeah, and I'm not
You're
going to
full
go.
of...
You're right.
Calm down, bro.
Take this to the police. It's fine. You've assaulted me 3 times now. That's good.
All these
good.
stupid with their cameras. I've got the incident on camera, and it's still rolling right here.
We're both in the wrong. Let's just separate.
Normally we don't have to try and run over people when we come around a corner. Normally we don't have Hawaiian shit running out having a go at a f***ing street.
Crazy semi-truck driver completely ignored his colleague on the road and he nearly pushed him completely out of his lane. There was a chain crash accident up ahead the road and this semi-truck driver barely noticed it on time. He managed to make the best out of the bad situation and he didn't hit anyone. This is a classic example of what can happen to you if you run a red light. Traffic lights are not to be messed with, and if you're on a red light, please do stop.
Oh my god.
With all the open space on the opposite lane to make a safe pass, this crazy van driver decided to endanger the cyclist and he nearly pushed him off the road completely.
VG2088! Do better! Bad driver! Bad driver!
Texting and driving is among the leading causes of all the accidents on the roads, but this cement truck driver didn't care at all. He was swerving all over the road, and the camera was not so sure as to why, but when he passed him, he soon realized that the phone was the cause of it all.
I hope he's going left. Where are you going? Now. Oh my God! He's holding his phone up in front of him. That is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. No wonder he's all over the pissing road and can't signal.
Min kärring, hon ligger och sover där inne på dagen och eftermiddagen för hon jobbar natt. Hon är helt galen ibland. Det är just här utanför henne och så otroligt mycket i kvällarna.
Det blir jag mycket för.
Vad sa du?
Det blir jag mycket för.
Ja, det är lugnt. Jag fattar. Jag sa det också. Killar, fan, de tycker det är gött alltså. Ja, men fan, jag måste ju kunna sova någonstans. Så att jag köper det till 100%, va?
Ja.
Men kan vi ta det lite lugnare så hade det varit jävligt bra.
Ja,
det funkar, va? Ja, det är suveränt.
Ja.
Kanon.
Ha det bra.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we would really appreciate it. And of course, it would massively boost our channel. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for all the crazy drivers out there.